How the Internet actually works in 5 minutes. What is the Internet? The Internet is three things working together: computers, cables, and rules. Simple, right? Step 1. The physical network. Your computer at home connects to a router. The router connects to your ISP, your Internet service provider. And the ISP connects to servers all around the world. The data travels through cables, fiber optic cables that use light to carry information at incredible speed. Step 2. IP addresses. Every device on the Internet has a unique address, just like your house has a mailing address. Your computer might have an IP address like 192.168.1.1. When data is sent, it uses these addresses to find the right destination. Step 3. Data packets. When you send data, it's not sent as one big piece. It's broken into small packets. Each packet can even take a different path to reach its destination. Then they reassemble when they arrive.